Hey guys, today I'm working with a Harrier 7.1 cubic feet deep freeze. It's a chest freezer, and essentially I do these videos so you know before you come pick it up that everything works perfect. And I'll show you real quick on the tag, which has got all the information there, so you know it is indeed the one in the listing, and you can cross-reference all that information if you want to. Any information you want to find out, owner's manual, all that can be downloaded online. But what I'm going to show you, obviously you can hear it running. I've got it plugged in. You hear that compressor running? I've had it plugged in for a couple hours now. It doesn't take too long for these to get cold. And so this is a surface temperature gun, and you can see whatever you shine it on there. It's pretty hot out here in the garage. This thing's still getting down to temperature, so the sides and back of this will get a little warm, as you can see there. So essentially in between those two red dots, it's going to take a measurement on the surface temperature. It's about 77 degrees on the garage floor. The side of this thing is about 108. And once it gets all the way down about -20, or you've got it full of food, then this stays about 80, between 80 and 85. But on all of these freezers, all the coils, evaporator coils, run through the sides on these guys. So you'll notice it's a little warmer as it starts to cool down. So on the inside, I'll lift that up. I'll show you where -9, just kind of depends on where you're going to point it. -13. Right straight down in the middle, about -1. Now these are designed to be full of food, and once they're full, they'll get down. If you have this on full blast, which I do, it'll get down about -20, and the food helps it stay at temperature. But running empty like this, even still, it'll get down to about -15. But like I said, just so you know, working perfect. And I'll have it plugged in, so when you get here you can open it up, and I'll show you when you get here if you want. But otherwise, if you need it dropped off, that's kind of what these videos are for, is if you need it dropped off, I do offer that. All that information's in the listing, but I'll show you when you get here. Otherwise, you can check it out yourself. Stick your hand down in there, see it's freezing. I'll shoot it with a gun for you, and you can hear it running and get it loaded up for you. Well, that's going to be it. I try to keep these videos short, but if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks, and have a great day.